back to my kitchen. You know, it is getting to be summertime and we're getting all these fresh vegetables in. So if somebody gives you a big old bountiful supply of vegetables, don't let them vegetables go meet Jesus, honey. I'm going to show you how to do some green beans today. They are so good when you cook them fresh. You can do them in the can with the same little recipe, but I'm telling you what, it is a game changer when you have some fresh green beans. And I'm going to show you how simple it is to just make some good old southern green beans. All right, y'all, these green beans just takes minimal ingredients. Y'all know how I like that. And I've already started snapping these beans. If you ever heard your grandma talking about snapping some beans, well, this is one of them that we snap, and it's some green beans. Here's my little setup. Now, I have done most of them. I'm just going to show you with just a few because y'all ain't got time to be watching me snap some beans. But we just take the little ends off. That's my little setup, my little bag, and I'm just going to throw them in there. Simple snap. And you can leave them whatever size you want to. You can make them smaller. You can make them larger. Whatever your little heart desires. But we're just going to be seasoning these up with some bacon, y'all. You know it's going to be good if it's got some bacon in it. Some bacon. I'm going to put some taters in mine because that's how we like ours. And some onion, little bouillon, and little seasoning, y'all, and that is all it is to it. So don't be scared to make those fresh green beans. Now I'm gonna wash them really good, and then we're gonna start frying that bacon. All right, we gonna start with some good old bacon, y'all. Ain't nothing better than some bacon to flavor these beans. This is gonna be what makes them so good. I am Lord, I'm throwing bacon everywhere. I'm going to fry probably about 6 or 7 pieces, and then I'm going to take it out. I'm not going to let all of that cook in there with the green beans. I might leave 1 or 2 pieces, but I'm going to take it out because we're going to crumble it up and put it on top at the end, so it is delicious, y'all. I am, might as well just throw a few pieces extra in here. But I'm going to use that bacon grease, that good old bacon grease to cook my onion because we've got some chopped onion here. I use my little handy-dandy chopper there. And, alright, we're getting this bacon cooked up. This won't stick to the bottom of my pan, bless your heart. But, it don't matter how pretty it looks right now.
She's smelling pretty good.
She's smelling good. It's going to be just as good when it's all nice and crispy. Like I said, we're going to put it to the side, and I'm going to cook that onion down in this good old bacon fat. This is where your flavor's coming from. Now, I don't like to season, put a whole lot of seasoning in my fresh green beans because you don't want to lose the flavor of those fresh beans. I will put, like I said, the chopped onion and maybe a little garlic powder and a little onion powder, but I'm not going to season them up too much because we want to enjoy those fresh beans. All right, y'all, in the onions go. This is just a small, one small chopped onion. Just going to get it in all that goodness. Smoking the house up, Russell.
That's all right.
Smells good.
Yeah.
But I am smoking it up. Now I'm just going to let those onions cook just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and season them with some salt and pepper. Give them just a little bit of oomph there. Because I'm also going to be adding just a little bit of bouillon. And I don't want them to get too salty. Some of this better than bouillon. Now you can cook them in just water. You can cook them in chicken broth. You can do them however you want to. I'm just going to add a little bit of that for some flavor.
Boy, they're smelling good.
They are smelling good. Look at them onions cooking. You don't want to dump your grease because, like I said, that is where your flavor is. I'm just going to let them get all happy in there. let them get translucent. Now I also have some taters we're gonna put in there, but now you want to cook your green beans for about 40-45 minutes. It's according to how fresh your beans are, but how tender they are. But I'm gonna go ahead and dump these in here. Yummy, yummy. And I'm just gonna fold this and get all that flavor mixed in there before I add my water. Look at that. Oh, that smells good. Lord Jesus, it smells good. It is smelling delicious. Now, I'm going to get some water. I'm going to use this same container. Let me get me some water. Alright, I'm just going to pour a little bit of water on it, just to barely cover it. You don't want to drown them. I may have to put a little bit more water in there. But just mix this up real good. I may put a little bit more water in there. And I'm going to add my chicken bouillon, better than bouillon. You do whatever you want to do in yours. Now, I am almost to the bottom of this, so I just going to put a little bit more water in this, clean this up out of here. All right, we'll just finish this off. Now, get it all in there.
How much water would you say that is?
That was probably about 3 cups of water, but now this is a big pot as well. So, you just want to cover them up. Like I said, you don't want to drown them. You don't want to have, not even be able to see beans because you got all this water just drowning them. Now I'm going to turn this up to a boil, and I'm going to let this come to a boil. Then I'm going to turn it down and I'm going to cover it up. I'm going to season it, and then I'll just let it simmer for probably about 20 minutes or so. Give it a quick stir, and then we'll add our potatoes for the last 20 minutes of cooking. All right, y'all, I am just, I've let these come to a boil. You can see it's just barely covered with the water. And I'm going to go ahead and season them up just a little bit. I've got some black pepper. I'm going to use some accent. Just a little bit of garlic powder and a little bit of onion powder. Not a whole lot, because we don't want to take away from the beans, those good old beans. We'll do a little bit of salt, not much. Right, it's all seasoned up. Now I'm just going to give it a little taste with my clean spoon here, because you want to taste food. It's already tasting so good. And I'm going to turn the fire down just a little bit, and we're going to put this lid on and just let it rock and roll here. We'll cover it. Just leave a little vent there, and just keep your eye on it, because it will absorb all of that liquid and be gone. And I want to have some liquid so that I can put my potatoes in there about the last 20 minutes. So I'm going to cook this about 20-25 minutes, and then we're going to put our potatoes in. All right, y'all, they have been cooking now for about 20 minutes. This is what they're looking like. A lot of that water has cooked up, so now I'm going to just pour my potatoes in, and I've just quartered some potatoes, and it won't be long now. These green beans are actually almost done. These were super tender, so just keep checking them as you cook them. But I went ahead and cooked my potatoes just a little bit in the microwave, because my green beans are almost done, and I don't want them to be mushy and just have mashed potatoes everywhere. So these have been cooked just a little bit, but look how good it's looking. Y'all, ain't nothing better than some good old fresh green beans. It's really not. So I'm just going to let them get real happy in here together. I'll probably cook them for about 10 more minutes, and they're going to be done. Y'all, these beans are ready to go. The only thing they need is the rest of this bacon crumbled up. Look inside here. Look at there, y'all. Oh my goodness. This is some good stuff. Just gonna toss it around a little bit. You ready to taste this, Russell?
I'm ready. I love fresh green beans.
Oh yes. Nothing like it. Nothing like them fresh vegetables, y'all. Like I said, somebody gives y'all some fresh green beans, don't you let them go see Jesus. Y'all cook them beans for your babies. Cook them for your family. You will get some praise. I'm telling you, this is good stuff. All right, I'm going to dish it up and let Russell taste it. All right, y'all.
Ain't gonna let me not even hit record. Look at a big red block around that thing.
We was talking away, done tasted it and everything, and wasn't recording a single thing.
Yeah, it was good too, y'all.
Take two. Take two, y'all. These good old southern green beans, they are done. Russ is gonna pretend he's not tasted them yet. Come on, Russell. He's on in.
Y'all, this has turned into a comedy of errors here. We trying new stuff. Anyway, yeah. We done went through this, and I looked up, and it cut off, and I'm like, it went into power saver mode. The camera went into power saver mode. It was just on, and nobody was doing nothing.
Nobody was there.
What's funny is there's a big red when it's recording. Anyway, what do you get?
Now,
let me just say, this
give it another little taste.
Fresh cut green beans is hard to beat.
Get you a little bacon.
You gotta have a little of the potatoes and the bacon. That's the only way to eat them, y'all.
And them beans all in one bite.
Yeah, all in one bite together. That's what I'm about to go in with. And we'll see for my second take how good it is, if it's as good as the second time. Hot diggity. It's doing good, y'all. As I said before, this makes me look forward to when all the fresh vegetables start to come in the spring and early summer.
Oh yeah.
When you get them fresh vegetables and they go straight from, you know, the field or wherever, the farmer's market, wherever you get them.
From the garden to your table.
From the garden to the table to your belly.
Good.
Ain't nothing better, y'all.
Nothing.
Ain't nothing better.
My daddy always has a big garden, and my mom will can these beans, and let me just tell you, I don't care when you open them jar of beans, they are just as good as when you just pick them out of the garden. But
oh, look at that.
So good.
It don't get no better eating than that, y'all.
No, sir. Good stuff.
Fantastic.
And this is good beside anything. Anything you lay it beside, honey, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be sometimes the star of the show.
Well, and if you low carbon, you can leave them potatoes out.
Yeah.
And it's perfect because you got some bacon.
It is.
It's got your fats in it. Man, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
When you want something to fill you up, that's not, you know, got a whole lot of carbs in it, we'll just leave the potatoes out, which we ain't on that train right now.
No, but we have been, and it is delicious.
Yeah.
You don't really have to have them potatoes in it.
Yeah.
But Lord knows I
you know, you can do this, the can, it's better, fresh is better, always.
Yeah.
And it's a little more work breaking your beans and stuff. But the canned green beans, man, they're one of the best vegetables they are too.
You can dress them right up.
Yep.
You can do your canned green beans just like this.
Same way.
Same way. You can do your frozen green beans the same way. And listen, it dolls them right up.
I tell you, green beans, as far as, you know, canned and frozen, the flavor is still there. And the bacon and onion and potatoes, it all enhances all that. So,
it does. Just brings it all together for you.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
So if you want to try the recipe with just some cans and you ain't got no fresh, have at it. Do it. Let us know in the comments. Appreciate it.
Yes. You can add a little butter on it if you want to finish it off.
Yeah.
But I didn't put no butter in this.
That's got all the flavor in the world. It's just packed.
Good, even without it. But if you like butter, you can add just a little bit of butter to enhance it just a little bit more. But y'all, give this a try.
Yeah, give it a try. Ain't nobody gonna be disappointed in them, I tell you.
I know it's just a simple little recipe, but everybody don't know how to cook fresh beans, so I thought I'd share that with you.
It's a good one.
It's a
It's
good
a
one.
hit. Let us know if you're gonna try it in the comments, and we appreciate the interaction. We enjoy it.
Yep. And y'all drop it in the comments where you're from. I
Yeah.
love
Yeah, we love to hear where people are watching from. Yeah.
Yes, to see where you're watching from. But anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching.
Yep, we appreciate
Putting
it.
up with us.
Yeah.
And until next time.
Peace. Be unto you.